Five little colorful frogs sat by the pond. The red one sang a happy song. Ribbit, ribbit, hop with me under the sunshine by the tree. Four little colorful frogs splashed all around, making the happiest froggy sound.